How to fix Steam sign-in error code 122 in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Open Start and type Fix Network. Syncing these settings automatically with an internet time server can help solve sign-in issues. Open Start and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and click on Run as Administration. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Now restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, now try again and your problem should be fixed. Now try again and your problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.